I wanna turn those blue lights into strobe lights, not blue flashing lights, maybe fairy lights. Those blue lights into strobe lights, maybe even fairy lights, not blue flashing lights. Don't you run when you hear the sirens coming. When you hear the sirens coming, you better not run, 'cause the siren's not coming for you. What have you done? You went to school that day. Was a bit late, but it was a Monday. Kept after class for answering back. You apologized, any harm in that? What have you done? There's no need to run. If you've done nothing wrong, blue lights should just pass you by. Gun crime into your right ear, drugs and violence into your left. Default white headphones flooding the auditory subconscious waves you accept. You're sitting on the floor back home. Where you at, G? Answer your phone. Pause the poison to answer his message. Your boy sounds rushed, fears for his adolescence. What have you done? There's no need to run. If you've done nothing wrong, blue lights should just pass you by. Tall black shadow as you're getting off the bus. Shadow shows no emotion, so what's even the fuss? But the face of your boy casts a darker picture of the red-handed act he's gonna whisper. Look, blood, I'm sorry, 'cause I know you got my back. He was running, I couldn't think I had to get out of that. Not long ago, you were miming to the shook ones. Now this really is part two, 'cause you're the shook one. Hand you the tool as you question your friendship has